everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. We got a quick one for you today. We got an unboxing of sorts. If y'all can see that, this is the Worx WX051, I think, or 51. I'll have to look it up. The link will be in the description. So we've got an old work table that we use as a SawHorse and everything else. This one will replace it because our other one is junk now. So this one is plastic and aluminum, but it's supposed to hold up to 300 pounds. It's got a 32-inch height. And if you turn it into a SawHorse, it's 1,000 pounds capacity. So we're going to look at it here. I'm going to pull it out of the box. An unboxing of sorts. It weighs 30 pounds. I can attest to that. So what you get in the box, you get the work table SawHorse. Down here underneath it, you get two of these quick clamps. You get these quick release clamps. There's two of these. And then the table folds out and locks into place. And what it has down here in the bottom, it has these bench dogs you actually use up here, and you use it as a clamp. These go in there. It's got a table down here to store stuff. You got measuring, what I call a measuring tape, but a measuring rule, metric and imperial on both sides. You got places for screws, nuts, and bolts, and whatever else you want to put on it. It's supposed to hold 300 pounds. I'm 250. Didn't even hurt it. And then when you want to turn it back into a SawHorse, it's got two little catches on each side down here. All you do is two catches on each side. And now it's a 1,000-pound SawHorse. Pretty neat deal. We got it as an Amazon deal, Prime Day deal. And then when you want to put it up, folds up and you can put it away. Hopefully it'll do a good job. We had a lot of good reviews on it. It would help if I pull the leg back out. There we go. So like I said, links be in the description. Me and Tanya will have some projects. We're out here cutting on it and drilling through it and getting paint all over it. But that's what I wanted to show you tonight. We'll have a long-term review on it shortly. If y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button right down there. Hit that bell to be notified. And that's about it. So until the next video, thanks for watching.